Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video for you on the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. These have been out for some time and I had the whole collection and I kind of ran out of ideas. And lip swatch, you know, things, at least for new ones. So I have this on hand and it seems like it's still available and you can still get them. So I thought I would swatch them for you guys. So if you want to see everything about this video, then just keep on watching. So before we jump into the video, I'm gonna give you a little review, I guess, on these matte lip colors. They're very like moussey when you put them on. They're not like a liquid lipstick, which is what I think I expected and what I'm sure a lot of people expect them to be. They feel a lot more like moisturizing on the lips, but of course after I've put on 16 of them, I'm feeling a little dry. It's just a very interesting texture, I think. It almost is like a matte mousse that you're putting on your lips, and it looks matte, but it's not actually like holding on. So if I kiss my hand, a lot of it does come off. So it's just different from a liquid lipstick. I think that if you don't mind that it does like come off like that, and you're not looking for like that liquid lipstick that just stays and does not move and like kind of gets a little cracked, then you might like these matte lip colors from Revlon. I liked a couple of the colors, especially this one. The color I'm wearing right now is called HD Forever 645. So this is one of my favorite colors from the collection. Honestly, I would say that I like the lighter colors more than I like the super, super dark colors. So there really wasn't too many dark colors in the collection. There was really only one, which is Infatuation. So yeah, that's my thought on this video. I definitely, if I were to choose a liquid lipstick versus these, I would choose a liquid lipstick for dark colors, and then I would choose these, the matte lip color from Revlon, for much lighter colors, like nude colors like these. My opinion, what I think. There's my little review. Let's jump into the swatches. I've got 16 to show you. FYI, this is the look from my ABC series P video. It is a voodoo goddess doctor makeup, and I just have the eyes on. I had a bunch of other jewels and fun stuff. So make sure to go check that out. It was posted last week. And that's all, guys. If you want to see the swatches, keep on watching.
So long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix it with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave. Play the game, but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show, and you're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix it with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half for you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much again for tuning in to another Swatch Saturday. Make sure you don't miss out on a single video from me. Check out all of them right here, including my Swatch Saturdays. And don't forget to subscribe to me right here. And comment below, let me know what your favorite color is from this collection. I'll see you guys next week.